Are you looking for an easy snack for your kids after school? Stick around because we're gonna make granola bars. We are starting out by putting in the small saucepan. We have some coconut oil, some honey. This is local honey for us. You should always use local honey if you can. And then we have some brown sugar. And we're gonna melt all that together in a saucepan. The instructions that I'm using for this recipe are off of Pinterest, and it is from lovelylittlekitchen.com, and I will link below where I got the recipe on my Pinterest board. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is the 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mine is brand new. Don't use your teeth at home, children. And we're gonna take 4 tablespoons. It is hard if you're using this one, in the jar. Whew. All right, so there's that. That's the coconut oil in there that we're gonna be melting. Then it's calling for 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. And of course, probably most people know that if you're using brown sugar, it is packed. So we're gonna throw that in there. And last but not least, we're gonna do 1/3 of a cup of honey. Now that I have gotten the jar of honey open, we're going to use 1/3 of a cup. Let's get out my spoon. Oh, I am dieting, and so I want some of this honey so bad, but I'm not gonna do it. That just looks good. All right, I haven't had sugar in a while. Trying not to. I did cheat not too long ago and had a piece of Dove chocolate. All right, now that that is all in the saucepan, get out what we need off this. We're gonna cook it over medium heat until it all melts together. All right, while that is simmering, we are going to take 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, and we're gonna spread them out over the baking sheet here, and we're just gonna lightly toast them. We don't want them to be burnt, we just want them to be lightly browned. While that is in the oven, we are checking on our honey and coconut oil. That is looking pretty good. The next thing I'm going to do with this is I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla. Alright, you can see that it is starting to bubble, so we're going to add just a little bit of vanilla. I'm not gonna measure it. That sounds about right. All right. And then we're gonna turn this down or off and we're gonna let it cool. Just a little bit. All right. In this bowl, I have 2 cups of Rice Krispies, and then this is my toasted oats. So we're gonna mix those together, put those in there. It's kind of hot. All right, put those on there. Woo-wee, girlfriend. All right. Next up, I'm going to just mix these around a little bit. And then I'm gonna add the honey mixture. So you see there, they're just mixed in really good. I am going to add a little bit of salt, about a half of a teaspoon. And make a mess at the same time. Why not? All right, you see that? That looks so yummy. I'm gonna mix that in there. Be careful with that honey because it is going to be hot. We're gonna get it all good and coated. You can hear the Rice Krispies kind of popping. This is so simple. You can easily make this in about 15 minutes and your kids are gonna love you for it. All right, so that is nice and coated together. I'm going to take my little baking sheet here, and it is lined, and I did use it old school and used Crisco. I did not have any cooking spray today, so Crisco it is, just so that the granola bars will come off easy. Then, let's see. Come back over here. I'm gonna get another, these are what I like to use, the Reynolds. And we're gonna press that on in there. This just helps so that everything doesn't stick to your hands. Like I said, it calls for an 8x8, but I didn't have one. So my bars are probably going to be a bit on the thinner side. But I don't think Matthew and his friends will care. All right, let's see. So that's what those look like when they cool really nicely. Then we're going to add some chocolate chips to the top. All right, the granola is now cooled, so we're just going to put some chocolate chips in there. I'm gonna just kind of smoosh them on there just a little so that hopefully they stay. When I go to cut them. You don't need a ton, you know, just like a Quaker bar. Now these are the semi-sweet ones. If I were picking them out, I probably would have gotten the chocolate, the milk chocolate ones, but Mike is the one that got these, so it's fine. You can use whichever. The Ghirardelli ones are really good. So there's that. When they cool, I'll show you the finished product. All right, the last part is just to cut the bars. They look so yummy. I wish I could eat one. That crunch. Matthew is at the auditorium playing basketball. We have an auditorium here, public, for kids to play. So we will see what he thinks of them. Just for a little Valentine's Day color, I'm putting this little decoration on it. All right, there's Matt. He's gonna tell us if these are kid approved or not, teenager approved. Hopefully, yes. What do you think? You like them?
Yeah, pretty good.
Pretty good? All right. You heard it from Matt. Yay. Mom did good. Do what?
What's in them?
It is honey and vanilla and chocolate. All right, there they are. Spin y'all around here. If you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up, please. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the way out. And we will do another cooking video soon. I don't know what I'll do next, but some kind of, if you like seeing the after school snacks, then I'll keep doing those. All right, have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.